We have so many different interesting parts of our hula. And this next kind of hula is one that's actually one of my favorites. We don't want children over here. Do we have? Uh-oh, I see. Okay, just cover your ears a little while. It's my favorite, one of my favorites. It's called a hula ma'i. And our ma'i, you guys know where's your ma'i? Oh, some, yes. Our ma'i are our procreative parts. Okay? You know, so that the adults understand what maybe the kids don't. Okay? And in our culture, these procreative parts are to be celebrated. Right? Because aren't they amazing? I mean, my goodness. I think some wars have been waged over procreative parts. What they do, they procreate. That's a miracle in itself. And so, chants were written, especially for the ma'i of our ali'i, of our chiefs, to encourage that procreation, to encourage longevity of different chiefly lines. And so this next chant is one of our favorites. Puna na Ka Manu is a hula ma'i that was written for Kamehameha. And in the end, I'll explain to you, this is what was taught to me by my Kumu. In the end, you will hear them recite vowels. And I always was like, that's so curious. Like, at the end of this hula ma'i, they're like doing the alphabets. And so, if you can imagine, there was a time when missionaries were here and frowned upon us celebrating the ma'i, because we don't really do that, yeah? And always. There's only certain places we can celebrate them, yeah? And so, they didn't understand Hawaiian, and so our kupuna, our ancestors, would do the hula ma'i, and then they inserted the alphabet at the end, and they told the missionaries they was practicing the alphabet. So smart, yeah? And they could still celebrate away. I love it. Practice those alphabets, girl. You get real proficient. I want you to be proficient in those alphabets. We celebrate. Kamehameha. Or you're practicing your alphabets, huh?